guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Dugu Wugu. Today we are going to Deojharan Waterfall near Sambalpur. Hello, now we are at Deojharan Waterfall near Sambalpur.
It's called Deo Jharan Waterfall. We're going up.
Who is there?
We're going up. So the main waterfall is not here. This is the waterway.
Because next
There's a water stream inside. So Dugu is going there. We are still not at the waterfall point. We'll go further to the waterfall point. But yeah, the stream is going somewhere here. It's coming somewhere from the up. We'll go up further more.
this place is so good.
You can touch the water. It will be too cold. Can you touch the water?
Oh yeah.
It's cold?
Wait, see? Yeah.
I can hear the sound of the water falling. Let's go.
The waterfall is close by.
And that's running. And this is Dugu.